truly, truly, truth, true, truly.
Used to end a letter.
I look forward to hearing from you. Yours truly, Taylor Shampinski.
Inexpensive. Inexpensive.
Expense, expenditure, expenses, expensive, inexpensive.
Cheap but of good quality.
Inexpensive children's clothes.
To wait. To wait.
Wait. Wait.
To be late so that someone has to wait for you.
I'm sorry to have kept you waiting. The dentist kept me waiting for ages.
Said in order to interrupt someone, or to get their attention, or when you have suddenly thought of something important.
Now, wait a moment, I don't agree with that. Wait a minute, I've just had an idea.
Farming. Farming.
Farm, farmer, farming.
The activity of working on a farm or organizing the work there.
Modern farming practices.
Science. Science.
Science. Science.
Science, scientist, scientific, scientifically.
A particular type of science.
Computer science. Chemistry, physics, and biology are all sciences. Advances in medical science.
Publish. Publish.
Publication, publisher, publish.
To make information available to people, especially in a book, magazine, or newspaper, or to produce and sell a book, magazine, or newspaper.
She's just had an article published in their weekend supplement. The government publishes figures every 6 months showing how many people are unemployed. The names of the winners of the competition will be published in June. Unlucky. Unlucky. Luck, lucky, unlucky, luckily.
Having or causing bad luck.
They played well and were unlucky to lose. Some people think it's unlucky to walk under ladders.
Tick. Tick.
Tick. Tick.
A mark that shows that something is correct or has been done.
Put a tick by or against the names of the people who have accepted the invitation.
To make a mark that shows something is correct or has been done.
Tick the words you hear in the recording.
Diver. Diver.
Diver. Diver.
Diver. Diver. Diver, diving, dive.
Someone who swims underwater, usually with breathing equipment.
A deep-sea diver. Repair. Repair.
Something that you do to fix something that is broken or damaged.
My car is in the garage for repairs. The repairs to the roof will be expensive. scientist, scientist, science, scientist, scientific, scientifically.
Someone who studies science or works in science.
Scientists are working to create a vaccine for the disease.
Punish. Punish.
Punishment, punish.
To make someone suffer because they have done something bad.
Those responsible for these crimes must be brought to court and punished. He punished the class by giving them extra work.
Upstairs. Upstairs.
On or at a higher level of a building.
An upstairs window.
handkerchief, handkerchief,
Handkerchief. Handkerchief.
A small piece of cloth or soft paper that you use to dry your eyes or nose.
She dabbed her eyes with a handkerchief.
Delay. Delay.
To cause someone or something to be slow or late.
I was delayed by traffic.
Immediately.
This problem needs to be dealt with without delay.